Hey, it's Chris from Motorcycling Kiwi Style. Thanks for tuning in again. This is just a quick go over of what I did to the XR200 just after I diagnosed what might have been wrong with it. It's not a guide or a how-to, but more of it just a showcase as to what I actually did and just see how it ran. Please enjoy. Step is to remove the spark plug and have a look at the condition of it. In this case it was a little bit wet, so I needed a decent clean. Time to do the tappets. First of all, doing the exhaust tappet clearance check. One thing you've got to be careful with is the tappet covers caps. They can strip the head quite easily. The proper way to get the engine to top dead centre is to remove two covers on the left hand side, but I do a little wee trick where I use a wooden paintbrush which I just put down the bore hole and then that way find top dead centre. It's just my way of doing it and it's not factory approved. Loosened off the exhaust tappet and then check for clearances as per the recommended specifications. Onto the inlet, it's time checking the tappet clearances for that also. It differs slightly from the exhaust tappet clearance. Checking and adjusting the tappet clearances, I went through and also did the cam chain adjustment, which is on the left hand side. I got it fairly right, but I still think there's room for it to be adjusted again. Started up the engine and got it running for a couple of minutes just to warm it up and all ready for the oil change. One thing you'll notice is that it sounds quite noisy, but that's just the poor quality of my phone microphone, unfortunately. Removing the bash plate to get access to the oil drain plug. One thing I didn't record was actually draining the oil itself and also the gauze filter, but it's shown here and that's what you clean. The oil still looked in good condition with no hidden surprises, but I was still going to change the oil anyway. Of course you go through and you check and double check it as you're filling it up, around about 1 litre. While I was there, I pulled out the air filter and gave it a clean and a re-oil, plus reinstalled. Start the engine up and run it for a couple of minutes to recheck the oil. steady if you can. Time for a quick test ride. Go and check that the gears are all working properly. A little bit of smoke popping out there, but like I said, the stem seals still need doing. And also, it's not as rattly as it sounds in the video. It's just my cell phone footage, unfortunately. Test ride went nice and smooth. All the gears worked perfectly and the bike seemed to be running fairly well. I did wear a helmet and gloves, obviously, all the gear some of the time. All in all, a good result. Time to pack it up, get it ready for the next motocross meeting. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to add any comments of what you thought was good, what you thought was not so great, and how you would have done it. Till next time, ride safe. See you out there.